Alpha are part of the contractions, ma'am. Sarah Silver here. That, viewers, is baby number 10 billion. We are moments away.
What? They're here. Execute protocol 007. So, it begins.
Best $300 I ever spent.
Man, look at it go. You see that?
What?
That.
I think I see some...
What the... Huh?
My $300.
The drone. Rock, paper, scissors.
I hate that game. I never win. Stupid scissors. The drone. It's scrap metal. You. Mister, you're in big trouble. That was $300. Hello? Officer Wilson?
Hello? Hello?
On second thought, forget about it. It was just a drone.
Ah!
Lost him. No. No.
No! Huh? No! Get away from him. Now. What the... Freeze! I'm warning you. Ah! Die!